Alright guys, good day to you wherever you are. In today's video, I'll be teaching on how to get your affiliate link on BYBIT exchange. Remember, affiliate link is different from just your invite referral program link. In affiliate program, you continually get benefits when people use your link to register, while on the invite program is just once. So this is how to go about it. As you can see, this is my BYBIT app. This is the home page. So the next thing you have to do, you click on this top left image here, as you can see on my screen. Then when you click there, you go to help. When you click on the help center, you allow it to load. Make sure you have a good network. So when it opens like this, you scroll down and you get to promotions. When you get to promotions, as you can see on my page here, this is promotions. When you get to this point, you click on promotions, you allow it to load, then you scroll down again, you go to affiliate program. There's affiliate bonus, but you go to the next one here, which is the affiliate program. So you click on it, so you have to load and open up. Then you read about the program so that you can know what you're about to go into. You read about it. It's an easy read, you can understand it. After you finish reading it, you come back up here to sign up for it. You come back here. How can I sign up for the BYBIT affiliate program? This very one here. And you click on this, go to affiliatebybit.com. You click on it, it will load. Then you click on join our program, as you can see on your screen there. Then you start the application. You use your first name, all the details that are needed, you fix them in there. Make sure you put any one you feel, like your first name. Last name is optional. You can see there's a tick here which signifies that it is valid. Make sure when you are fixing your details, be monitoring that link, be monitoring that tick, that orange tick, to ensure that they are valid. After that, you click on get started. They will send a mail to the email you input here, and you copy the code and paste so that you'll be able to verify it. Then after that, you will have to wait for some days so as they will review your details and give you the link. So they will review your details, because they will ask you more questions apart from this page. When you click on get started, they will take you to the next page where you will answer simple questions on how you plan or intend to promote BYBIT. So you answer those questions, you submit your answers, then you'll be on review. After some days of the review, then they will send you the affiliate link. Then you have your link which you'll be sharing to other people. So if you don't have a BYBIT account, I will drop a link in my description box. Make sure you use it to register as a BYBIT user. So I will drop it as soon as possible. Then don't forget to like, and if you're interested in this kind of videos, subscribe also, so that you'll be the first to get a notification when I drop videos like this. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.